MCL-Loader Series – How to install MCL-Client software into a device. This is the first module of a series dedicated to the use of MCL-Loader. MCL-Loader is a free tool that allows you to install MCL software such as MCL-Client or MCL-Agent into a device, as well as activate the MCL-Client licenses you have purchased. Once your MCL-Client software is installed and activated, MCL-Loader can also be used to manage those licenses because it is connected to the MCL License Manager, which is a cloud-based platform with all your registered MCL licenses. Now, to use MCL-Loader, you must first install it in your computer. You can download it from our website. If you need help with the installation, check out the MCL-Loader user guide, which you can find here. In this module, we're going to show you how to install MCL-Client software in your device. So before we continue, confirm your computer is connected to the internet. MCL-Loader needs to be online. Now we're ready to launch MCL-Loader. Once you're in the main menu, you can confirm it's online over here. We're going to install the software in an Android Zebra TC51 device. Turn it on and make sure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as MCL-Loader. Start by clicking the Device Software Installation option. As you can see, the USB connection relies on the Windows Mobile Device Center, and that's not possible for Android devices, so we have to choose Ethernet Wi-Fi. Click Next to continue. Select the MCL-Client related option and proceed. Here we have to identify the device's manufacturer, model and operating system, and also the MCL-Client version we want to install. If your device's operating system is not listed, see if there is an asterisk version and pick that one. For instance, the Zebra TC51 we're using has an Android 8 operating system. As you can see, it's not listed, so we're going to choose the Android asterisk option. As for the MCL-Client, you should always select the latest version available. Click Next to continue. Now, MCL-Loader is downloading the MCL-Client version we selected onto your computer. When that's done, we get two different methods to transfer the downloaded file into the device. Open the device's web browser so you can type in this URL or read the QR code. It represents the same URL. Whatever the method, we're now going to navigate the device's web browser. The next sequence represents what happens in a Zebra TC51 with an Android 8 operating system. If your device is a different manufacturer, model or operating system, don't worry. Just follow the instructions your device provides to complete the file's download and installation. In this sequence, we need to press Enter and then OK. Once the download is complete, we press Open to execute the downloaded APK file and install. We wait for the end of the installation process and then press Open. Regardless of the sequence you had to follow in your device, once MCL-Client is installed, the MCL App Desktop application opens automatically. If it doesn't, use the MCL shortcut icon to launch it. Back to MCL-Loader, click the menu button to return to the main screen. Select Device Info to check if the information about the device is correct. Once again, we're going to use a Wi-Fi connection. Insert the device's IP address and click Next. MCL-Loader now shows that MCL-Client is installed. The next step is to activate the installed MCL-Client software. That is described in the second module of this series, in the How to Activate an MCL-Client License module. Feel free to check our MCL-Loader user guide for more details and tips on installing MCL software into a device. You can use the Help option to access it. Continue exploring the other modules of this series or any other tutorials available in our MCL channel.